Hey YouTube users, this video is about me coming across this ad I found on Craigslist. I was looking for another way to make some quick money working at home, and I may have a solution if you're also looking to make some quick money on the side. Alright, here it goes. There's going to be a link right below in the comment area explaining, and you click on this link and it shows you this video. It's a seminar basically of what the business is about and how you can make money. First, I paid $40 for this membership, and it costs $20 to keep a month. It's basically like health insurance, dental insurance. It has all these benefits that come with it. It's like a whole package thing, and it's kind of like AAA if you want to get a little technical. But the amount of money you can make and I can make is big. You can make up to maybe a couple grand. Some people have made a couple grand in a week. So if you're not convinced yet, just click on the link and do what I did. I paid $40. I signed up. I used a username, exactly how it said, password. Gives you a link, and then you post that link on Facebook, Craigslist, for other people looking for jobs, or just whoever does the same thing I did. And maybe what you're gonna do is pay $40. It's like an affiliate. It's like a chain reaction. Whoever I get to pay for this membership does the same thing I do. Is get other people to buy their membership, and then it's like you make money. Everybody makes money. Check it out. It's really convincing. Yeah, you can make up to $3,000 a week. So just watch the videos and see for yourself. Alright, click on the link right below. Bye.